Hey, today, I'll show you how to use natural language search in Labeller's tool. First, go to the Settings section. Here you will see all the datasets attached to your workspace. You can search for the dataset you need by typing its name in the search bar. But what if you don't remember the exact dataset name? For example, the one containing a gray car. So in such case, instead of manually checking each dataset, you can activate the natural language search feature. Simply enter a prompt describing what you are looking for, like dataset with a gray car, and the tool will filter out the relevant files for you. Once the results appear, you can view the images and all related details. You can also adjust the confidence level from here to refine the search based on how complex your prompt is. Clicking Show Datasets will display the datasets that match your query. Finding specific datasets is this simple with Labellerr. We have covered other features on our channel, so be sure to check those out too.